All right, guys. So if you don't know, we live on 10 acres of land. We do raise animals. We are not city slickers. We are not suburbans. We are out here in the country, in the deep woods. We're country folks out here in Texas. We raise animals. We work hard, raise animals, go to church, play sports. You know, a country family. But hey, it's chickens. They are spoiled, man. Like I got 80 million. They darn water cups. Thing out there. They love to roost on this metal fence, chain link fence. Some reason I'm not sure. I was always told they like wood, they like roosting on wood and branches and stuff, but some reason they like it. We live here in Texas. It doesn't really snow much, so it's okay for them. If you live more up north, you want to be careful about this because they can get frostbite. We got ducks as well. Hey guys. Hey buddy. Hey. We do got a hen that has laid 14 babies about 4 or 5 days ago. They're in there. Not trying to bother her much. But yeah. We're just having a blast. Another thing about chickens and ducks and birds, they're not like cats and dogs where you feed them on schedule. These animals like to roam. They call it foraging. They like to move their feet like this, kick around in dirt and stuff, and look for ticks, spiders, bugs, ants, you name it. They can eat up to 100 ticks an hour, literally, probably 1,000. But yeah, let them free roam, free range. You know, they'll clean your yard of bugs and all kinds of stuff. But that's what chickens and birds like to do. They have to run around, stay together. They won't go too far from their water source, but they like to look for grasshoppers, bugs, ants, all that kind of good stuff. All this extra grass and stuff, we're gonna chop it down, weed eat, and use a machete and stuff, and gonna bring it in so they have some kind of hay and some kind of bedding and stuff when it starts getting colder here in the next couple of weeks as well. But for right now, it's gonna let it grow. Then you just whack it down, and you've got cows, you got horses, outside animals, chickens, birds. This is grass, this is weeds, or you can use hay as well. They like it for bedding, it keeps them warm as well.